Lesson 9. Traumatic brain injury and orthopedic impairments. A traumatic brain injury is a condition in which an individual experiences a significant trauma to the head from an accident, illness, or injury that affects learning. An orthopedic impairment can be caused by a traumatic brain injury. An orthopedic impairment are diseases or disorders that are related to the bones, joints, and muscles. For example, cerebral palsy occurs because of injury to the brain before, after, or during birth. It results in poor motor coordination and unusual motor patterns and affects the arms, legs, and other muscle groups. Another example is a spinal cord injury. That occurs when a spinal cord is damaged or severed. It often results in partial or full paralysis, and characteristics are typically similar to people with cerebral palsy. Instructional supports for students with orthopedic impairments include arranging the classroom furniture so students can comfortably move around, using assistive technology, accommodating for students' personal needs, and remembering that, just like any other disability, all students with orthopedic impairments are unique and will not benefit from the same things. An orthopedic impairment is a low-incidence disability. A low-incidence disability is any of the less common disabilities outlined in IDEA. Some facts about these disabilities are students with low-incidence disabilities comprise less than 20% of all students with disabilities. They have tremendously diverse abilities, challenges, and needs, and there will be many strategies that you know that can help them in a classroom. Autism is a low-incidence disability, and students with autism have a wide range of intellectual and other abilities. They may have impairments in social relationships, communication, range of interest, and capacity to respond to stressful events. They need a clear structure and routine to succeed. Students with moderate or severe intellectual disabilities learn slowly and usually need assistance to maintain and generalize their skills. Students with sensory impairments often have needs related to academic, learning, social, and emotional skills, and skills for living in their environments. And some students have orthopedic impairments, other health impairments, or traumatic brain injury. Students in these groups often have medical problems that directly or indirectly affect their learning, and these students will need a range of instruction and accommodations. And we have the link to our Cerebral set here.